This is Jerry Diamond with How to Get Out of Babylon. If I'm speaking a little bit louder, it's because I got earplugs in. Got some problems with the trees up there, branches over where the trailer's going to be. My weapon of choice would be, well, my son climbing the tree and cutting it with a chainsaw. That ain't going to happen in the amount of time we got. Second weapon of choice would be 12-gauge shotgun with double-aught buck. I don't have that either, so I'm going to try. Oh man, my arm is so sore and tired. Good grief. There you go. And line it up there. Oh no, I can't hardly lift it. Alright, heck with the camera. I gotta focus on the sights. Okay. Cock the gun. Springfield XDs are pretty cool. Very cool. See that pin there? I can put my thumb on that. Chamber is, it's cocked, okay? And then the pin there, do you see? I can put my finger on that. Try to do that. Oh boy. Alright. Without obscuring the vision there. Okay. There. In the dark, I can put my finger on that pin and know that it's cocked. And it's got a round in the chamber. So, here we go. I don't know how this is going to sound on the film. Alright. I'm not even going to bother trying to shooting up in the air. That's not going to do too much because that's a pretty dry branch, and that was a hollow point, 45 hollow point, and it did some damage, but it would take quite a few rounds to take a tree branch down. Like I said, double-aught buck, weapon of choice. Good way to clear a culvert too. I had like a 6-inch by 8-inch steel culvert, and it was jammed up with rocks and stuff. So I got my 12-gauge shotgun, you know, whatever the heck I had in it, I don't even know. Anyway, cleared the culvert real quick. Rain was flowing, the water was flowing through it, so every time I fired around it would clear it. So, okay, call that a fail. I'm not going to even bother trying. This is Jerry Diamond with How to Get Out of Babylon. Think outside the box. There's always one more way to skin. There's more than one way to skin a cat. I'm tired. All right. God bless. Bye-bye.